Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Mark in the Kitchen. Today we are going to prepare a mixed salad with a dressing. So welcome. For new friends, welcome, and remember to subscribe. So we have different types of salads. We have starter salads. Those ones are served as appetizers. And then we have accompaniment salads. These ones are served together with the main meal. For example, a kachumbari. The one I'm making here is a starter salad. And then we have dessert salads, sweet salads, which are served after main meal. For example, fruit salad. So today I want us to prepare mixed salad, and all ingredients I've just cut them into julienne, that is into strips. So for that, let me show you how you cut your ingredients. So I'm going to show you cut the cucumbers. So I'm going to cut them into strips or julienne. Julienne, it's straight. So I've cut my cucumbers here into strips. So these are the cucumbers, carrot, this is the lettuce, and then I have onions here, the red onion, and yellow capsicum or the yellow pepper. What I've done to them, I've just dipped them into a salted hot water. And then this one we have the green hoho, the same way I've just dipped it into hot water with a bit of salt and vinegar. And then I have dania to garnish my tomatoes. I've cut them into strips also. And then I have this seasoning. I'll just put a pinch of it onto my salad. And then I have oil. This is just for dressing. And then I have lemon juice also. This one I will use also to dress. And then I have salt to season. And I have a black pepper. I also use it to season my salad. Then vinegar. I'll also use this to dress my salad. And then I have both. This is how I'm going to mix my ingredients. And then here I have a fork. This is a kitchen fork I use to mix well my ingredients together. So what you just need is to put all your ingredients together. Guys, this is a good preparation. We are going to eat it like this, so you have to ensure your equipment or your hands are clean. You can use the gloves. See the color. Then I add in my tomatoes. So the color it is appetizing. And then guys, You can add parsley. I have dania with me, so I'm going to add in my dania. Then I'll mix all this together. So guys, I'm adding my salt. Then a bit of lemon juice. What I'm doing now, I'm dressing my salad. Then a bit of oil. Olive oil, it's the best, but you can use any cooking oil that you have. Just 2 tablespoons I have. And then guys, a vinegar. Just also 1 tablespoon. So I'm adding my black pepper. Then my favorite seasoning, salad seasoning. I've seen it. Just pinch. Then there I mix in together. So guys, you can have variety of the ingredients. Someone is asking why avocado is not here. Next time, Karui. Next time I'm going to have avocado. So I guess now our salad is ready for service. Remember, this is a starter. You have to eat a little kidogo too, because you are going to be served a main meal, just an appetizer. So guys, our salad is ready for service. It's supposed to be served on a fish plate, call it fish plate, cold plate, with a fish fork and a fish knife. So I'm going to taste. Let's have a taste. So nice. So you can put it in your fridge if you wanted to eat it while chilled. So guys, that's my recipe for today. I hope you have learned something from it, and I hope you're learning something in my channel. So bye bye till next video. And guys, remember to share, like, subscribe and comment down there. Bye bye till next video.